Welcome to ABM Edutech, your trusted partner in professional training and placement services. We empower your career with the skills and knowledge you need to succeed. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more educational videos and career tips. Welcome to our Python tutorial. In this video, we'll explore two essential concepts in Python: if-else statements and loops. These are the building blocks of decision-making and repetitive tasks in programming. Let's dive in. What if and if-else statement? If-else statements help Python make decisions. Based on a condition, Python executes one block of code and skips the other. Let's understand this with an example. Python checks if the condition age is greater than or equal to 18 is true. If it is, it prints, you can vote. Otherwise, it prints, you are too young to vote. If the if condition gets satisfied, then if block of the code gets executed. And if it does not get satisfied, then else part will get executed. So this is how we can control the flow of the code by putting the conditions. Nested if-else and elif statements. You can also use nested if-else or elif for multiple conditions. If there is need for multiple conditions, then nested if-else or elfi is used. For example, let's assign grades based on marks. In this example, the value of variable marks is 85. And we have used multiple conditions. If marks are greater than or equal to 90, grade A will get printed. If the marks are greater than or equal to 75, grade B will get printed. And if marks are greater than equal to 50, grade C will get printed. And if none of the above condition gets satisfied, then grade F will get printed. In this way, we can use multiple if-else or elif. Python evaluates each condition in sequence. Once a condition is true, it executes the corresponding block and skips the rest. Introduction to loops. Loops are used to execute a block of code multiple times without having to write the same line of code multiple times. Loops helps to save time and make code more efficient. Python mainly has two types of loops. First is while loop, second is for loops. Let's start with while loop. A while loop keeps running as long as its condition is true. Let's look at a countdown example. Syntax of while loop is while expression, statements. In this example, the loop prints the value of number and decreases it by 1 until it reaches 0. This loop will get executed till the condition is true in while statement. For loop. For loops are great for iterating over a sequence like a list or a range of numbers. Syntax of for loop is for iterating variable in sequence. Statement. As shown in the example, fruits is the list, having some values, then for loop to fetch the values, and then printing them. This for loop goes through each item in the list and prints a statement. Let us discuss about break and continue statements. Break and continue are special statements for loops. Break stops a loop completely, while continue skips the current iteration. Notice how the first loop stops when it reaches 3, and the second skips 3 but continues with other numbers. Practical example. Number guessing game. Let's combine these concepts in a fun number guessing game. This game uses a for loop, an if-else statement, and even a break. That's it for this tutorial on if-else statements and loops in Python. Practice these examples and experiment with your own ideas. I hope this tutorial helped you get a solid start with Python. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below, and I'll be happy to help. Also download our app ABM Edutech for more videos. Links is given in the description. Happy coding and see you in the next video.